What's up, guys? Back in with a quick Pepe coin video. Let's just jump straight into what's going on in the market very quickly as well. We can see BitGet drops the world's first real-world asset index perpetuals, giving traders exposure to tokenized things like Tesla, NVDA, and CRCL with up to 10x leverage. So this is absolutely huge for crypto in general. And I do want to announce quickly, we've only got 4 crypto legend slots available. So if you want to make the most out of this market, check down below for the crypto legend Patreon package. And if it's a little bit too much on the pricey side, we still have some other different categories that you can choose from. But in general, guys, this should help you make some more money with our VIP alpha calls, Patreon signals, early alphas, and education and more. So Pepe, what's going on? What is going on with Pepe right now? We can see it's up 3% on the day. It's not looking too bad. It's down 7.36% here on the weekly time frame. But it's also down 23% on the month, so it's not the most sort of appeasing looking price action here. And we can see actually the overall crypto market, ETH lost a bit of value, $500 wiped away, Bitcoin's down $6,000. Everything's down a little bit. We're just cooling down a little bit. We're back down to a $3.86 trillion market. We pulled back from 4.2 trillion, which was actually our all-time high by global crypto market capitalization. So right now, Pepe, just doing Pepe as usual. They don't really post that often. Their last post was the 9th of August and then July 17 before that. So they don't really post. They don't really need to post. They've got so much brand awareness. But what we are seeing for Pepe coin right now is that it is clinging absolutely onto the lower threshold of this symmetrical triangle. It's just bounced actually from the bottom of this symmetrical triangle, where we might get some more positive continuation to the upside. But we can see it sitting at 0.00001. And now it's just kind of outside the symmetrical triangle box. Now you could probably pull this line down a little bit more because we had this volatility wick over here. But in general, it's really hard to say. It's really hard to say what's going to happen. Now, personally, what I would love to see is a double bottom bounce here for Pepe coin, where we come back up and we shoot back up. We create that W pattern, which will result in effectively coming back up to the resistance about here. So this would entail a pump for Pepe coin by about 20% to the upside, but it would require the entire crypto market to also become a bit more bullish. Now that is the bullish scenario, that we do create this W pattern and we break out, we move up higher, we make this breakout, we retest the resistance, which opens a new pathway potential for another 15% pump. So overall, the upside trajectory could actually be 40% from where we currently are if the rest of the market becomes more bullish. And as always, there is a bearish scenario for everything else. If we do lose support, we could just simply come back down to around this range here. And this range gives us where we had a lot of resistance to support in that June range back, a few months ago. Well, yeah, literally a couple months ago. So the downside potential is around 10%. But in my opinion, the upside potential was a little bit higher at the moment for Pepe coin, especially because we've had a few red days and it is down literally 20% over the last 2 weeks. So it could be a good dollar cost average opportunity, but of course, never dollar cost average more than you can afford to lose, because it can take a long time for the price and the charts to recover. Pepe coin in general, I think it's got a long way to go to get back to $10 billion market capital. So that's the ideal area we want it to get back to, but we are so far away from that. We are so far away from that. Now, if you're looking for an opportunity that's quicker, this could be good. Token 6900 is something I bought a lot of recently. You can see 6 days, 22 hours to go, 32 minutes until token 6900 is gonna go live. So the token generation event is real soon, guys. One coin is only 0.00705. There's a link down below. Check it out. You can connect your EVM wallet, your DeFi wallet, like MetaMask, convert some ETH or Tether into your desired quantity of these token 6900 coins. They're so low right now. The market cap will only be about 5 million. When the coin goes live, it's gonna hit DEX real soon and be on exchange. So very excited for this SPX 6900 alternative coin, which should hopefully do very well. Of course, it's going to also depend on the rest of the market, but the countdown is now there. Only 9 days were left a few days ago. Now we've only got 6 days left until this coin is finished. So have a little look at it. They've got 6,000 followers on X, and I'm genuinely quite bullish on this coin right now. We'll say as well, KZX are doing some great sign-up bonuses for newcomers in the crypto market, 10% freebies. If you deposit $10,000, you're going to get $1,000 for free, but also their reward center. If you do all their tasks, you're going to get a free $400 just for doing a few tasks that you can trade with. And yeah, guys, that's about a wrap. Get yourself in the Discord down below. It's free to join. 41,000 members. And also, please do subscribe, like, comment on this video, share with a crypto friend, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you soon, crypto fam. Thanks for viewing, and I wish you guys a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.